Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, we are here to talk about what to expect when taking CSS in senior high school. So, first, expect the things that you have not already learned before you taking the CSS in senior high school. So guys, next is expect this is not a very easy strand, but this is not too difficult. All you need is hard work and patience to follow the lessons. I swear it is not too difficult, but if you do not have that kind of personality, there's no room here for you. You only need to switch your strand that suits in your personality. And go switch the strand. Choose very carefully. Choose carefully kasi mahirap na mag-adjust kapag nakasanayan mo ng yung CSS, yung strand mo, kaysa lumipat ka pa ng ibang strand. Mag-adjust ka pa sa lessons nila. Kaya be wise and choose correctly. And next guys is expect that your IQ and your logic is more needed in this strand, because ICT is, or CSS rather, is more logic, because guys, because logic is pwede mo rin siyang magamit sa pang-araw-araw na gawain, etc. So guys, expect that you need to also to work well together to pass all through everything. So guys, let's talk about what is the advantage of CSS. This is additional learnings from me. First, allows flexible self-paced learning where students are to an appreciable extent able to choose what they'd like to focus on and spend variable amount of time on it based on the perception of their learning needs and position. And guys, next is to reduce stigma of failure. Failure is a natural part of learning, but it is harder to deal with it in actual classroom settings because of So guys, ayun na pala, no, gusto pala ang video. Sana nasayang kayo sa ginawa kong video na yon, and comment nyo lang sa baba kung meron pa akong dapat baguhin o dapat pang ayusin sa paggawa ng mga video. Salamat!